world's largest democratic election. In India's 2019 national parliamentary elections, the BJP swept all three of Northwest Bengal's Lok Sabha seats, that is Jalpaiguri, Alipurduar and Cooch Behar, and bagged 18 of the state's 42 seats overall. Now, this time in 2024, BJP's Jalpaiguri candidate and sitting MP Dr. Jayanta Kumar Roy has told DD India's Gautam Roy that his party will do even better than the last time. Let's listen in.
The battle for West Bengal, which is going to poll in 7 phases, is peaking, with the first phase taking place on the 19th on 3 seats in North Bengal. One of them is Jalpaiguri. We have the BJP's candidate, who's the sitting MP as well, Jayanta Kumar Roy, with us. How is your campaign going? What is the contest looking like? Because West Bengal is very keenly contested every time in the Lok Sabha elections.
No, it is not applicable for North Bengal, particularly my constituency. You know, so many persons are being, you are able to see. So I think we are excited. Our people are excited. They are waiting for the date of vote only.
What are the challenges here? Because we hear that the tea industry here faces particular challenges. It's a very key component of this area in terms of its economy. The workers are facing distress. Some factories have also been closed. Are there plans to revive it? That's what the TMC is saying. What do you make of those plans?
Actually, what happened? With the government of West Bengal, they are not looking after the tea gardens properly. I think some middlemen are there, for whom actually this industry is now being going down and down and down. So this is the market of tea. Actually, tea prices are not being raised. People who are working with the tea gardens, they are also suffering because they are not getting their salary properly. Because we have demanded that they should get at least 350. Nowadays it should be 350 as their wages.
How's the contest going otherwise? How many seats do you think the BJP can get in West Bengal this time around? Are you confident of winning your seat?
The number of seats will be more than earlier, and I think it will not be less than 25 in our state, and including my Jalpaiguri constituency.
All right, all the best. Thank you for speaking to us, to DD India. Well, there you are. That's what the BJP's candidate from Jalpaiguri is saying in terms of being high on confidence as far as the entire contest for West Bengal is concerned. 42 seats at stake here for the Lok Sabha. With camera person Sumit Himan, this is Gautam Roy, Jalpaiguri, DD India.
Tea growing and production is a key part of the economy in the 3 parliamentary